We are here today with Matt Powell, who's going to share with us some important facts about insurance companies and our legal system. Matt, can you please tell us a little bit about your background and how you know what insurance companies do?
Yeah, thank you, Anita. When I first practiced law, I worked for over 20 different insurance companies, defending them from car accidents to medical malpractice. I was told by the insurance company adjusters what to do, what to pay, and was told to follow their orders. I truly hated my job. I learned their methods and tricks and decided to go out on my own and chose to never represent an insurance company again, so I just started my own law firm.
Oh, what kind of cases do you focus on now?
I do only personal injury cases, such as products liability, wrongful death, motorcycle crashes, truck accidents, car accidents, and many other cases where people are hurt by the negligence of another.
Can you share with us any secrets that insurance companies don't want us to know?
Yes, there are many secrets, and I'll share the number one secret they don't want you to know. And the number one secret is that recorded statements can hurt your claim.
Why are recorded statements so bad?
Insurance companies go out of their way to encourage people to give them a recorded statement, and here is how and why a recorded statement is so dangerous. Some of the questions they ask you are designed to be used against you later.
How do they use these questions against us?
Like, they'll ask what your injuries are, and if you leave one injury out, they will later accuse you of lying, and they will say, now you complain of a knee injury, but when we took your recorded statement right after the accident, you didn't say anything about a knee injury, so you must be making this up to make a profit from the accident case. The problem is, after an accident, some things hurt more than others, and over time, something that may have been minor in the beginning begins to get worse over time.
Is there anything else?
Yeah, the second biggest way they use a recorded statement against you is by getting you to guess at an answer about how the crash happened, or get you to say you don't know something about the accident and later use this against you. For example, they may ask, how fast was the guy going who rear-ended you? And you might say, I think he was going at least 45 miles per hour. And you just say this since the crash felt really hard, but later, the facts indicate that the property damage was minor and that his speed was closer to 10 to 15 miles per hour. So then they say, wow, you were really exaggerating the speed when we took your statement, so are you now exaggerating your injuries today?
It seems like they're working to trick people. Do you have any other examples?
Another example is when they ask you where the other car came from, and you say, I don't know. Then they make up a plausible explanation of why their insured was not at fault, since you can't say what they did wrong. The only reason you answered, I don't know, is because you have not had the time to really investigate the whole thing or see all of the information and evidence. And so when you gave the recorded statement, it was unfair to you since you were not yet fully able to know many things about how the accident happened.
Why do so many people freely give the insurance company these recorded statements?
Most people think that they won't hurt their case, or they think they have to give a recorded statement, or else the insurance company won't fix their car or pay their bills. Before you give a recorded statement, get the help of an experienced lawyer. Don't try to give a recorded statement without anyone's help.
What can someone do if the other side's insurance company asks them for a recorded statement?
Tell them that you will give them a recorded statement when you have the help of an attorney on your side. Then hang up the phone and call an experienced board-certified civil trial lawyer to get help. We will give you a free case evaluation, and if we accept your case, we will help you with any recorded statements you may have to give.
Is there anything else we should know?
Yes, if you have to give your insurance company a statement, make sure they do two things. First, they have to give you a copy, and second, tell them not to share your statement with any other insurance company. It really makes me sad when a client tells me their own insurance company wanted a recorded statement, and as soon as they gave the recording, the adjuster sent it to the adverse insurance company and when it's later used against them.
Matt, thank you so much for sharing with us today on Let's Ask the Lawyer.
Thank you, Anita.